Good morning, everyone. My name is Sonu Kumar from BCA PPU Batch 2 first year. I am here to define deadlock and about Banker's algorithm. First of all, I would like to define the term deadlock. So let's start and try to understand what actually the term deadlock is. Deadlock is basically a situation when two or more processes wait for an event which is not going to occur. I know most of you wouldn't have got it, so let me make you understand it through an example. Suppose there is a family in which there are two siblings and the condition, both the siblings want to play cricket, but the condition is that they don't want to play cricket with each other. They want to play cricket along with their respective friends. In their house there is only one ball and one bat. The younger sibling has acquired the ball and the elder sibling has acquired the bat. Now you tell me, will any of them be able to play cricket? No, none of them will be able to play cricket. This type of situation is called deadlock. In this example, bat and ball are the resources and siblings are the processes. That's what I said while defining the term deadlock, that it is a situation when two or more processes wait for an event which is never going to occur. Now let's understand about Banker's algorithm. Banker's algorithm is also known as a safety algorithm. It is used by the operating system of our computer because our computer system is responsible for making sure that deadlock doesn't occur in our system. For that, our operating system uses Banker's algorithm. Now I will tell you why this algorithm got its name as Banker's algorithm. Suppose when we visit bank for some loan, suppose we want to take a loan of rupees 5 lakh. For that we go to bank. Now you tell me, does the bank provide us the entire loan at the same time? No, bank can never provide us the entire loan at the same time because there are so many customers like us who visit bank every day for loan. If a bank provides us the entire loan at the same time, the bank will be not in the safe state. That's why our bank provides us loan in parts. Suppose three customers C1, C2 and C3 visit a bank and the maximum amount required by the customer C1 is rupees 5 lakh and the maximum amount required by the customer C2 is rupees 4 lakh and the maximum amount required by the customer 3, that is rupees 6 lakh. Bank has allocated them some amount so far, which is 2 lakhs to the customer 1 and 3 lakhs to the customer 2 and 3 lakhs to the customer 3. Now let's here bank has already granted some amount to all the customers, but still these customers need some money to fulfill their requirement. Let's calculate the needed amount of the customer 1. As we know that the formula that we use for calculating needed amount is maximum amount minus allocated amount, which I have already written. Let me calculate the needed amount for customer 1, which is 5 lakh minus 2 lakh is equal to 3 lakh, and customer 2, 4 lakh minus 3 lakh is equal to 1 lakh, and for the customer 3 it is 6 lakh minus 3 lakh is equal to 3 lakh, and the total amount which bank has is rupees 12 lakh. Out of 12 lakh, the bank has provided rupees 2 lakh to the customer 1, rupees 3 lakh to the customer 2, and rupees 3 lakh to the customer 3. It comes to 8 lakhs. So out of 12 lakhs, the bank has given allocated 8 lakhs to these three customers C1, C2 and C3. So now the available amount the bank has now is 4 lakhs. Now we will see whether the bank can fulfill the need of the remaining customers or not. We can see that still the bank has 4 lakh, which is sufficient to fulfill the requirements of all the customers. So let's suppose that bank gives 3 lakhs to customer 1, which customer 1 still needs. So when bank will provide 3 lakh to the customer 1, so it will become 1 lakh. Now when we take loan from bank, it's not so that we don't return the money. We return the money, so the customer will return the money back again. It will become, when customer 1 will return 5 lakh, it will become 6 lakhs. Now Still, the bank has sufficient amount to fulfill the requirements of the remaining two customers C2 and C3. Let's draw a safe sequence for this. First of all, bank fulfilled the requirement of customer 1. Now it will fulfill the requirement of customer 2, which needs rupees 1 lakh. If it gives rupees 1 lakh to customer 2, it will become 5 lakh, and after fulfilling its job, customer 2 will repay the loan, which was the 4 lakh, so it will become 9 lakh. And now bank has to fulfill the requirement of only customer 3, which need rupees 3 lakh, so it will grant 3 lakh, so it will become 6 lakh, and when we will add it, it will become 12 lakh. The same procedure we follow for solving numericals related to bankers algorithm. While solving bankers algorithm, we follow the same procedure. In bankers numericals, processes act as the customers, and bank acts as the operating system, and loan acts as the resources. This is the reason why bankers algorithm got its name. Thank you.